Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tenny, and in today's video I'll be making a Nigerian recipe called boli and peppered fish sauce for dinner. So that's what we're having today for dinner. So guys, join me, let's do this together. So if you are a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give my video a like, a thumbs up, and also share my videos. Okay guys, thank you. Okay, here we have our plantains ready. So the next step now is prepping my oven, my air fryer I mean. Mélòó lẹ máa jẹ? Iye tẹ́ bá ti lè fẹ́ jẹ.